Say 1 minute and 45
It
seconds.
is approximately 2 minutes away.
If you look out of your left side, you'll see the beautiful dome. This is where most of Rust PvP goes down. If you look straight ahead, you'll see the wonderful bandit camp. This is where I like to make my DV plays.
Why are you going
I
towards
trade
bandit camp?
5k. Wait.
This is not.
Oh yeah, you're right. Look, I was giving a tour. Okay, I'm giving a tour. Now, if you look to the left, you'll see the bandit camp.
Yo, I want to shoot a bandit, dog.
Up on your left, we have train yard. Train yard. This is where military crates spawn, and for some reason you get like a rocket launcher every time. It's fucking retarded.
I may just post this on fucking
I'm
YouTube.
Heli tours. Up on the right, you'll see a shitty ass roof camper base. Much pussy motherfuckers over there, you know.
Is that your base?
Isn't that your base?
No, it's a joke.
Yeah, fuck those guys.
Fuck those guys.
Okay, you said top middle D8.
Yay, top middle. Oh shit.